Welcome to the program. Former Nairobi Governor Mike Mbuvi Sonko is today expected back in a Kiambu court to face assault-related offences. The former governor has been in a Nairobi hospital. Our reporter Brian Obuya is following up on that story and joins us live with an update from our City Centre studios. Brian, good afternoon. What more can you tell us?
Thank you, Michelle. Up until an hour ago, we were expecting former Governor Mike Sonko back in court at the Kahawa Law Courts to face off with the prosecution. The prosecution is trying to construct a case of terrorism against the former governor. But at this hour, we understand that Mike Mbuvi Sonko may not be going to court, but his co-accused, two individuals whom together with the former governor, they are accused of engaging in terrorism activities, will be in court at about 2 p.m. That is this afternoon. So we understand reliably that former Governor Mike Sonko will not be going to court. This is because the court had ordered that Sonko will only go back to court when he has fully recuperated. Remember, when he was in court last time, he cited that he was sick and that he needed to be in hospital. And we saw the chief magistrate there, Diana Mochache, ordering that the ex-governor be taken to Nairobi Hospital under the watch of the anti-terrorism police unit until such a time that he is okay and he's fine, he's medically fit and able to go to court. That's when he'll be going there. That also affected, that ruling also affected his other case. Remember, Sonko is facing two cases. One, the assault case at the Kiambu Law Courts and the terrorism charges at the Kahawa West Law Court. So that ruling by Diana Mochache also affected his case at the Kiambu Law Courts, where the chief magistrate there, Stella Atambo, is hearing how Sonko assaulted 9 people and how the prosecution wants the court to believe that Sonko has a case to answer. So that case was supposed to be mentioned on the 23rd of February, that is on Wednesday, but it did not proceed because, again, Sonko argued that he was not feeling well and he is still in hospital. It is the same argument that his lawyers will be telling the Diana Mochache court at Kahawa West that their client is not feeling well and that they could not basically proceed, but they are going to present the two co-accused persons in court this afternoon. So that is the bit. To just be clear about that, Sonko, we understand, will not be going to court, but his co-accused will be in court this afternoon, reason being that he is still in hospital and he has not fully recovered as yet. Michelle.
Many thanks. That is Brian Obuya with the latest on former Nairobi Governor Mike Mbuvi Sonko. There are more details to follow in our subsequent bulletins. Elsewhere, Oro Oyoka, the late member